How to fix driver PNP watchdog stop error on Windows 10. To fix driver PNP watchdog stop error on Windows 10, try 1. Check volume shadow copy service, set it to run automatically. 2. Run a full system scan with using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 3. Run these commands in command prompt, as admin. netstop lowserv netstop crypt svc netstop bits netstop app id svc netstart lowserv netstart crypt svc netstart bits netstart misses server netstart app id svc run wow.exe. /update now command in PowerShell, admin. 4. Run sfc command as Administration. 5. Run automatic repair via Windows Safe Mode. 6. Run Windows Updates Troubleshooter. 7. Reset your PC.